Hey everyone, my name is Bowen Kai from Doppler. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Doppler integration from the Vercel Marketplace. So first, within Vercel, navigate to the Integrations Marketplace and search in Doppler. Once you find Doppler, you can click Connect Account, and once prompted, it'll ask you if you want to install Doppler for one project or for all of your Vercel projects. For the purposes of this demo, I'll show you all what it looks like to connect to all projects. You can either select an existing Doppler workplace or create a net new workplace. I'm going to create a new one and link it to my Hardware IO Vercel project. Once I click next, it's connecting Doppler and Vercel in the background and creating a Doppler workplace for you to sync your Vercel secrets into. Once this is done, you can then open up your Doppler workplace and see the newly created Doppler workplace Bowen's projects. You'll see Hardware IO, which is the name of the website that I have, as well as 3 environments that correspond to what you have in Vercel: development, preview, and production. Under integrations, you'll notice that Vercel is set up as a sync, and you'll see that the name of the projects as well as a status for the integration. If I go into this individual project, I can then go into any of these environments and click on a config, and you'll see that Vercel is also set up. So from here, I can add my first secret. I can say tool name, and I'll just say Ryobi, and click on save. I can choose to either save it for just the production environment or across preview and development. So I'll go ahead and click save. And once that has been saved, you'll see that it's currently syncing. And once it's in sync, if I click this, I'll go directly back to Vercel, and you can see the environment variables that are within my Vercel project. And tool name is across development, production, and preview environments. Doppler is a dedicated config and secrets management solution. So now it can serve as the one source of truth across all Vercel projects and any other existing integrations that you might have. Doppler also makes it super easy to automatically trigger a redeploy in Vercel when an underlying credential is saved. Let me show you how to do that. So navigate to your settings for your Vercel project. Under Git, go to Deploy Hooks. We'll name a hook, and we'll say it's the main. Once you create a hook, you'll have a URL that you can then go back into Doppler, click on webhooks, and add a webhook. So I'll say prod webhook, the underlying URL, and we'll update the production one. And you can ignore the auth components there. So now, when I go into Doppler and change this underlying secret to DeWalt into production, you'll see that this has been updated and a redeployment has initialized and built and gone out. Lastly, Doppler makes it super easy to see the user access history as well as the version history behind an underlying secret. To access that, you can click on any secret and see the secret history on who accessed a given credential, who read it, who used it, as well as the version history for a given secret. You can then quickly roll back or see when things were changed and who ultimately changed those. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up a Doppler integration from the Vercel Marketplace. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to sign up for a free trial of Doppler today. Thanks.